Good evening. And what's your name?
My name is Natalia Alexandrovich.
Beautiful name. I'm Bond. James Bond.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Bond.
It's a pleasure to meet me too. Tell me, will you be available on the menu later?
I may become available later tonight. First, please, take a pickle.
Pickles are one of my favorite foods. I must admit I'm going to enjoy this.
Here,
Mmm.
let me help you.
Well, thank you.
Superb.
Go. Good evening. And what's your name?
My name is Natalia Alexandrovich.
Beautiful name. I'm Bond. James Bond.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Bond.
It's a pleasure to meet me too. Tell me, will you become available on the menu later this evening?
I may become available later tonight. But first, please, take a pickle.
I will. Pickles are one of my favorite foods. I'm going to enjoy this. And then I'll enjoy you.
Here, let me help you.
Yeah.
It appears, Mr. Bond, that you got into a little bit of a pickle. Is it?
Excellent. Sorry.
Oh, you're filming me there.
Go.
It appears, Mr. Bond, that you got yourself into a little bit of a pickle. Is it not?
Opening scene, rainfall. And it starts with you and him.
Whenever you want to go.
Ready? This is too long, we just need to get the cufflink. No, let's do that again.
Just have you fiddling with the cufflinks.
Just like, yeah, okay, they're on. Yeah, that's a good idea. The cuff's on.
You're filming it.
Yeah, I'll cut all this out.
Could have just already have the tie on as well,
Yeah.
really. Yeah, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pinky on. Just like that.
If you don't come so close. Sorry.
Right. And action.
Hello, Q.
Hello, 007. Now pay attention. Here is your gun.
Thank you.
Here is your mission pen. And here is your transportation. I think that's about everything.
You expect me to drive in this?
No, of course. We expect you to take the bus.
Oh. Wonderful.
Mission Pickle.
Alright.
Mission Pickle.
You've got to have a name for it. Surely there's got to have a name for
Put
it.
your hands down,
Here's
Andrew.
Mission Pickle 007.
Hands
And
down.
James, do take care.
I'm going to have to write something, put me some
That's
script
fine,
on it.
yeah,
Is
yeah.
that alright?
Of course it is. It's fun.
Stick them in your folder.
Thank you for doing this, by the way.
I've not done it yet, it might be rubbish. Right, do you remember practice?
Yeah,
Of course we can.
absolutely. I'll get out of shot.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come in. Good to see you, 007.
Good to see you too as well then.
I see you've had a facelift.
I'm also a lot slimmer and fitter than I once was.
Now pay attention, 007. This is the man we want you to investigate. Sir Richard Branston, owner of Virgin and Branston Pickles. You may remember him from your last excursions. He is planning world domination through his radiated... no, through his Branston nuclear pickles.
I know it sounds I know how silly it is.
It's alright, you were doing brilliantly. You were doing brilliantly.
It was very good.
I can't find my notes, sorry. He is planning world domination through his Branston nuclear radiation pickles. Each jar is capable of being one atomic bomb. Here it is, James. Mission Pickle.
Thank you, Anne.
And remember, 007, take care.
Thank you.
Alright, rolling. To cut. 5 seconds, whenever you want.
Come in. Good to see you, 007.
Nice to see you as well, Anne.
I see you've had a facelift.
I'm a lot slimmer and fitter than I once was.
Now pay attention, 007. This is the man I want you to investigate. Sir Richard Branston, owner of Virgin and Branston Pickles. You may remember him from your previous excursions. He is planning world domination through his Branston radiation nuclear pickles. Each jar is like an atomic bomb. You are to investigate. Here is Mission Pickle.
Thank you very much, Anne.
And remember, 007, take care.